People you're selling to subs, I've been one. We're not stupid. We know that you're not always horny. We know that you're not always ready for some fun.
Bad bees.
Right, everybody, welcome to episode 2 of the Onlyfans tutorial. Episode 2, what are we talking about today? It's going to be all about your niche. You may not know much about niches, but today I'm going to go through what Onlyfans niche is important, how to pick your niche, and I'm going to show you and share with you a free fetish builder, link in the bio. Picking your niche is the fetish builder here. This is the appearance builder page. Now I may blur this out so you can just see a bit, but basically you need to really understand what sort of age category you fit into and the terms associated with that, the body type and the terms associated with that, the body shape, the hair, and the ethnicity and nationality. That's not really important, but what you do really need to understand is that, or you may already know, that porn has its own vocabulary. Prop includes is things like clothing accessories that men may type in and want to see. So this is not only giving you a niche, but it's only giving you ideas for your other content. Are you right there? Up. 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 Go up. Up. Alright, shut up then. It's going to give you clothing accessories, it's ideas for your niches, it's going to... But it's also going to... Are you alright there? Get up. Get up, get it, get it. Get away now, we're busy. Wait, okay, so it's all... The location, the prop builder is part 2 of the page. It's going to give you clothing ideas, location ideas, accessory ideas. Within your niche, you need to keep it fresh. So once you understand your appearance, you need to understand what sort of stuff you might be using. And finally, the third page, which I definitely can't show, is fetishes. And I've tried to group these as best as I can. Maybe you have to blur that out there, but I've tried to blur these into like, well, you get the idea. So essentially, what you need to do, your first stage before starting, your first stage in your OnlyFans journey or your OnlyFans rebuild is understanding what your niche is going to be. It's understanding where you fit into this personal porn revolution. People have changed, times have changed. If they wanted general, they'd be on the other sides. They want niche. You go onto porn sites, you see it split into categories. Why? Because they've realized over time, this is what people like it split into. They want to be able to just go into a category that they like. So, why be a generalist on OnlyFans or try to be a generalist when you could be more niche? Now, don't get me wrong, okay? Being a generalist can sometimes work. I'm about to show you an example. I'm about to show you an example of bad specialists and generalists. So I'm not going to show their names and I'm not going to show anything. I'm going to try to show as little information as possible. The first one here, 1.2k followers. She offers nearly everything. Definitely not a generalist, but she's definitely not a specialist. However, she's objective to the universal standard, very attractive, and her content is very good. She's got 1.2k followers at $5, 5k a month. You get the idea. Next one. Boom. Now I don't know what a submissive balloon slut princess of the night is, but it's nice and niche. If you're into balloon slut princesses, you're gonna want her. Next one, 19. See, she's put her age, which some people dig, and that's a real hot fetish for some people. But there's just not much else. I'll get into bios in a later episode, which I'll link above. But you're not really doing more for me other than your age. And this goes the opposite way. You've got someone who's slightly, so the girl next door is a kind of fetish. But I mean, maybe this is more to do with my next video about bio, but there's not enough there. I don't really know what you're doing for me. Why am I going to click on this? Again, with the age strategy, and now it's a good strategy because it's a popular fetish. She's got in her name, she's got in her bio. That's pretty decent. Next, this is just bad. I'm going to say why this is bad, because bless this person, they've took that from another woman's profile. Okay, listen, the people you're selling to subs, I've been one. We're not stupid. We know that you're not always horny. We know that you're not always ready for some fun. Alright, 0.1% of you might be, but we know you're doing this for money. You're telling me what you're getting, fetish videos. What, so you're just good at every fetish? When there's about 100 girls with like feet specialists, and there's 100 girls with like JOI specialists. I'm gonna choose you. No, thank you. This is okay. Yeah, this is actually, the bio could do with some work, but she said what she's doing. 2 things, and boy, people dig that. Great, love it. Nylon and fetish, GF. You don't need to say no more. Well done, nice work. And that's it for now. Now, I don't want you to think I was being rude. Definitely not trying to be rude. I'm trying to release all this stuff for free so people know what to do and how to do it, because you've got a lot of advice coming from this perspective. You've got a lot of advice coming from the perspective of the OnlyFans creators. You need to realize from the buyer's perspective as well. It's time to niche up, okay? The next thing about getting your niche is you need to get your name. You need to get your name and all the accounts that you're going to need sorted. So before the next episode comes up, make sure you get your name, okay? And once you get your name, you're going to use the same name across all the brands and the accounts. I'm going to show you what accounts you need for promotion, what accounts you need for content.